Okay, here let us discuss question number 7 of exercise 1.3. Your function, the question, consider f from R to R given by fx equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible and find the inverse of f. Here the function is defined from the real number to real number and it is defined by fx equal to 4x plus 3. You have to show it that function is invertible. This is a direct question. And under what condition we'll say that the function is invertible? I hope you remember. The function is said to be invertible if it is 1, 1 and onto. Okay. So first that means to show that this is invertible, we have to first show it that it is 1, 1 and onto. As we have done the questions in the previous chapter, similar with those questions. After that, your aim is to find out the inverse of f, and that we can do within 1 or 2 lines. So first let us check that this is 1, 1 and onto. So first let us write down your given function and how it is defined. This is done. To check that this is 1, 1 and onto, we have to take 2 elements in the domain. So let us take x and y be 2 elements in the domain. How to take it? Such that fx equal to fy. Let us use the definition of fx and fy. Fx is what? 4x plus 3. So fy will be 4y plus 3 that I am written. 3 will be cancelled out. We get 4x equal to 4y, that is x equal to y. So you have started with fx equal to fy. You arrived here x equal to y. What is the conclusion? F is 1, 1. Now let us proceed for onto. I hope you remember in the previous exercise we have done how we have done onto. Here, yes, onto means what? Every element in the codomain, you have to show it that there exists the element in the domain such that fx equal to y. So here to check that this is onto, we are giving a name. We have to consider a function fx, and how to consider this function fx? In the place of fx, let us name it as y, so that y we will take in the codomain. Let us take it now. Let y is equal to what? 4x plus 3. As I told you in the earlier cases also, replace f by y, you will take your y. Replace x by y. Okay, sorry, fx by y. So you have taken your fx, y equal to 4x plus 3. Now from here, this is an element in the codomain. From here, you have to find out the value of x and check it whether that x is a real number or not. So for x, let us bring x to the left side. Okay, or you may think it like this. Here in this case, I have bring this 3 to the left side, it become y minus 3, and right hand is 4x. Bringing 4 to the left side, y minus 3 by 4, that will be a value of x. This is written here. Now you see, let us verify whether this is a real number or not. That is very important to check this step. Is it belongs to R or not? If it is belongs to the given set, then only further you have to proceed. Otherwise, you can stop it here. So as we know, y is a real number. Difference of real number with 3 will be a real number. Divided by 4 will be a real number. That means we can give the conclusion that this is a real number. So first part of the onto function is done. After that, you have to show it that fx equal to y. Let us change it fx, x, f of x. What is x? Y minus 3 by 4. Here it become f of the function. By definition, what is fx? 4x plus 3. So this is your x. 4 into this one plus 3. 4 will be cancelled out. Next step 3 will be cancelled out. So what is left? Y will be left. Okay. So now we have seen that fx equal to y. That is also done. So all the parts of this onto function we have done. That is what? For every y in R, there exists x in R such that fx equal to y. So you can give the conclusion that f is onto. And you remember your question. You have to show that it is invertible. So since f is 1, 1 and onto, so we have seen that this is invertible. And after that, you have to find out the inverse of f. So here, therefore, here I am written here. This is onto, thus f is 1, 1 and onto, therefore f inverse exists. And by definition, what is the value of f inverse? F inverse is a function from R to R. It is given by what? F inverse of y is equal to x, because fx equal to y, we know that y is equal to fx equal to y, then gives you x equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y means x. And what is x? You have got it earlier. Y minus 3 by 4. So we have seen this is the value of that here. And it completes the solution.